So when you wanna jump on this, can't take that. No, we ain't safe. I'm thumping face before I thump fist. Them man I gas, one bag of mix. Run into my boss, now I'm in a piss. Boss man saying that switch. You don't know me like that, you know me like this. No time to relax. Wanna hit the airways with these tracks. All these other guys claim they're fly. I'll be on a flight, them guys can't catch. Still picking up all of your crap. Man weren't spending any time in the track. Got me and my brothers locked down in the lap. Messing with the baseline, breaking back. Are you mad? Shang Tsung couldn't mirror my swag. I tell a copycat, get over here. Let's engage in Mortal Kombat. Cause I'm on that full contact. No holds bar when I'm in the kitchen. If I thought they wanna talk about flows and that, I know that man, I got loads on tap. Watch how I build up the team from scratch. Told them already that there is no match. Ruby and the man, them light up tracks. Who wants to say they can't get body back out? Tell the sound boy enter dust and ash. Drop flows like bombs in Baghdad. You wanna jump on the wave and you hit it, be like, you wanna jump on this. Can't take that, no we ain't safe. I'm thumping face before I thump fist. Them man I gas, come back a miss. Run into my boss, now I'm in a piss. Boss man saying that switch. You don't know me like that, you know me like this. I could tell that these men are broke. Could you never see him putting any work in? When I tell them I'm VIP, I mean a very intelligent person. My brain is like a computer. The flow is updated to the latest version. Got more than a J on me when I'm inside the studio.